So in this BTCC tutorial video, I will be showing you how to delete your account here on BTCC. So once your app is opened up, go to the bottom left and select the home icon. Once you're on the home page, go to the top left and select the three horizontal lines. Then go to the top right and select the gear icon or the settings icon. Then once you're here, you can scroll down all the way to the bottom to where it says delete your account. And if I were to go ahead and press on it right here, it'll then basically explain to you about deleting your account. So deleting of your account means the following. Before you delete the account, please ensure that. And if this looks good to go, you can go ahead and check the box right here at the bottom left. You can go ahead, scroll it, and basically delete your account at the bottom by pressing delete my account. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to delete your account here on BTCC. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.